Hi, my name is Daniel Martin. I'm an English teacher, teacher trainer, and international speaker and writer of ELT materials and methodology books. The screencasts here show you how to use some of the Web 2.0 tools that I write about in my book From Whiteboards to Web 2.0. There are two types of video tutorials or screencasts for each tool. The first one deals with the technical sides of things, how to use a tool, what to do with it, what you need to know. But to be honest with you, as a matter of fact, you can find those types of tutorials on YouTube quite easily. The second type of tutorial, and of course the most interesting one because it's relevant for you as an English language teacher, and also because those types of tutorials are not as widely available on the internet, really. This second type of tutorial centers around didactics, what you and your students can do with the tools, and it gives you practical ideas. In these tutorials, I share the kinds of things that can be done both within the confines and outside the classroom. More teaching ideas and 81 detailed activities in my book From Whiteboards to Web 2.0. I hope that you find these screencasts useful and that you enjoy the book.